Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Descript for Overdub and Captions, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Descript website. Look for the option to sign up or create an account. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in the required information accurately. Create a secure password for your account. After entering your details, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Descript. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Descript website and log in with your email and password. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard. Locate the Overdub feature in the sidebar menu. Click on Overdub to get started with the voiceover feature. You may need to follow the setup process for voice cloning. This typically includes recording a sample of your voice. Follow the on-screen prompts to record the required audio. Ensure you are in a quiet environment for the best sound quality. Once your voice sample is recorded, submit it for processing. Descript will notify you once the voice cloning is complete. Next, navigate to the Captions section in the dashboard. Here, you can upload a video or audio file for captioning. Select the file you want to add captions to. Descript will automatically generate captions based on the audio. Review the generated captions for accuracy. Make any necessary edits to the captions in the editor. Once you're satisfied, export the captions alongside your media. Finally, save your project to keep all changes. You're now ready to use Descript for Overdub and Captions efficiently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.